welcome back to my channel, Glow with Candace, and if you're new here, welcome. I'd love to see you back on my channel, so hit the subscribe button down below to see future videos like this and more by me, and don't forget hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified for any future uploads of mine. Today I am going to be talking about a product I recently discovered, and I am so happy to share with you guys because I've been dealing with this issue for a while, and I just so happened to stumble upon it, and I cannot wait to share with you. So I've been dealing with dry, itchy, flaky skin all over my body, not my face, but with my hands in particular since I'm at work in healthcare, washing my hands constantly throughout the day, and it's like expedited since the pandemic. So my hands have been so irritated, dry, itchy, flaky, and it's been embarrassing too. And then recently with the drier weather that we've been having, my arms and my legs have been a little bit dehydrated and flaky and itchy and irritated and tight. So I needed something with more moisture than what I was using. And it just so happened when I made an Ulta purchase, I don't know when it happened exactly, but you know when you purchase things and you spend so much and you get some free items? Well, this is exactly what happened. And I got something from the Body Shop, and I got it in almond milk and honey. And oh my gosh, you guys, I love it. It gave my hands moisture instantaneously. My skin has been very dry, and I feel like all my body butters from Bath & Body Works are just not doing justice. So I ordered this in the body butter format from Body Shop. And so I've been using it all over my skin, my arms, my legs, you name it, and it's been doing wonders, and I love the scent. I actually have the body butter here. This stuff is absolutely amazing. Oh gosh. You guys, I loved the hand cream so much, I had to buy the exact same format in a body butter. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and as you can see here, it is so nice. It's not super thick, but it is a little thick, if that makes sense. So it's creamy, but it's not watery, but it's not super whipped, if that makes sense. So just like putting it, just rub it in, and oh my gosh. I instantaneously feel moisture when I put this on my skin. And it just smells so lovely. I can't even describe. It has that hint of almond and honey, and it's not overpowering. It's not gonna annoy you. I actually really love the scent. And I love how when I put this on my skin, I instantaneously feel the moisturize. Like, it just does wonders. Now the thing is, it does say 48 hours of moisture. I don't know if I necessarily agree with the 48 hours because I feel like I apply this every time after I shower. So I wouldn't say necessarily 48 hours. I don't think if I didn't apply this after I showered, and I shower every day, so if I didn't, then it would be dry. So I have to just apply this every time after I shower, which is fine. When I'm washing my hands though, once a day, maybe twice a day towards the end of the day after I've been done kind of washing my hands for the day. It does pretty good with that, so I'm very happy. So this body butter is in, how many, let's see. It is 6.9 ounces or 200 milliliters. So it's a big tub. This retails for $21, but I bought it on sale recently for $16.80. So just watch for those sales, but it's definitely worth its bang for its buck if you're dealing with dry skin like myself, if you have sensitive skin. I loved this so much. This body butter, I actually just ordered another one in strawberry. That one isn't as intense for moisture, but I really wanted another one that once my skin gets back to square one, maybe I can start using just the basic body butter from Body Shop and then have a little bit different scent. But I absolutely love this, and I cannot recommend it enough, especially if you have sensitive skin as well. And since I am loving this so much, they actually have a trial size. So I ordered a trial size so I could put it in my purse. So if I'm on the go or if I'm traveling, if I'm staying at my in-laws and I don't want to take this big tub with me, I can take a little guy. So I'm just waiting on that to come. I ordered that with the strawberry scent one, so I'm super excited. The travel size is $6, but I bought it on sale for $4.80, and it is 1.7 ounces. So it is pretty tiny, but like I said, it's for like if I don't want to take this big tub and I want to just stick it in my purse, so I always have it in case I'm lacking that moisture that I really need. So looking at Ulta, it looks like the hand cream that I got is actually the size of it. So it's a little bit smaller. It is 1 ounce and it retails for $8. Right now it's on sale for $6.40. It is honestly amazing. I keep it on my desk. This is what triggered me to get it for the rest of my body, and it's just so soft and moisturized. Like, I cannot stress enough, if you're dealing with these issues, please go out and buy it. I know the bigger one is a little bit spendy, but if you buy it on sale, it's totally worth the bang for its buck. And honestly, I've been dealing with these dry conditions for a while, especially with my hands in particular. So it's definitely worth it, in my opinion. Definitely worth it. So I'm happy I have one at my desk, I have one at home, on my nightstand, and then I also have, now I'm gonna be getting one to put in my purse, so I'm super excited about that. So I'll read you just a little bit about this particular one, the almond milk and honey soothing and restoring hand cream and body butter. So of course it soothes and restores. It intensely moisturizes for 48 hours. It's suitable for sensitive dry skin, made with organic almond milk, enriched with community trade honey and organic almond oil, hypoallergenic fragrance, and dermatologically tested. I wouldn't say it's 48-hour moisturizer, just because after I shower, I feel like I need to put this on to give that moisturizer back on my skin, versus, you know, I don't know, but it lasts like all day once I put it on. I will say with my hands, I sometimes have to put it on a second time towards the end of the day. It just kind of depends, but if my hands feel like they need that moisturizer, I definitely get it. I feel like it doesn't wash off though, which is something amazing. That was something I was dealing with, you know, I put the moisturizer on and I wash my hands and it's just off, and then my hands are dry again. But this actually stays on and keeps that moisturizer locked in. Occasionally towards the end of the day, I might feel a little dry, so I'll just reapply, and it's no issue whatsoever. Also, I just want to note, The Body Shop is also a cruelty-free brand. Thanks for stopping by with Glow with Candace. I hope you enjoyed this recommendation for dry, itchy, flaky skin. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button down below. And if you're new here and you want to see future videos like this and more by me, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to see you back on my channel. But until next time, bye!